Okay, here we are at 1061 East Poncho Lane in Santan Valley. Just kind of pan through the neighborhood. Let's go take a look inside. Okay, here's the entryway. Does definitely need some TLC. Needs new flooring and carpet, or carpet and paint throughout. That window is broken, shattered, and the blinds have some issues. Nice great room floor plan. Open into the kitchen. We've got holes in the vinyl. Missing the stove. We want a new sink. Looks like it's seen better days. And the dishwasher too. That's where the fridge goes. And then back into the living room. Some storage there. Here's the downstairs bath. I don't think that can be fixed either. Nice little closet under the stairs. And the downstairs bedroom. And the laundry room off the garage. Good sized laundry room with some storage. The garage is nice and wide on both sides. There's room for shelves, cabinets if you'd like. And the water heater looks newer. Let's take a look upstairs. Woo. See, the walls are just grungy. Just definitely a new coat of paint. So to the left, you've got a broken cabinet and one bedroom. It's missing the doors to the closet and one of the pieces of molding. This one has a nice walk-in closet. There's another secondary bath, 2 sinks, that's nice. And a good sized loft. Plenty of room for a little office and teen room or whatnot. This is the master bedroom. Not a huge master. Nice garden tub. Definitely needs a good scrubbing. And here's the closet. Got dual sinks here. And some linen storage. Let's go look out back. Okay, here's the backyard. Nice covered patio. Looks like somebody was a digger. And the pool is empty. Two air conditioning units. Here's the back side of the house.